very special to me, and I'm really happy that it's coming alive in a comic book format. Especially Uday, I want to thank Uday that he's bringing back all the memories what I had of Hum Tum. I remember that when the film released, the characters of Hum and Tum got really popular. It was the first time that there was a comic strip that came in mainstream cinema, so we had scenes happening, and then suddenly Hum and Tum comics used to just, the characters used to pop out in the comic, and it was very interesting for the viewers at that point of time. I remember a lot of viewers also told me that they really loved the way Hum and Tum even looked as characters. They were really cute, and they brought out the essence of how a boy thinks and how a girl thinks, and why a boy is yin and a girl is yang, and why yin and yang can't be together. So it was really cute at that time, and just to see it come alive in the form of in the comic book, I think is really great. In fact, I've read a few of the comics and I think they're hilarious and they're really cute. Also, what's very interesting is this character that Uday has come up with called Daya Prochu. It has a very distinctive name, and also I think the character is very distinct because I think it really has a different way of looking at things. Daya Prochu always thinks of life in a very different way, and what I love about Daya Prochu is that he looks really cute, but I think what's really funny is his name, Daya Prochu. I think it's a master stroke from Uday's side to actually name somebody Daya Prochu. I think it's really cool and very cute at the same time. And when I read the comic book which has Daya Prochu's character, I think it just reminds me of who I am really, and there's somewhere I feel a Daya Prochu hidden inside me. So I feel when kids, when everybody reads Daya Prochu, I think they are going to start feeling that, oh my God, I think it's time that we get our Daya Prochu out. And I think that's going to be a really fun way of looking at the comic and also reading it. So I'm hoping that people really have a lot of fun reading this. And also Uday, hats off for coming out with a character like Daya Prochu. This is Uday's passion, and I would really like to wish him all the best, since he's the brain behind this. And I would like to wish Viomix and of course Yash Raj Films all the best for this new endeavour of theirs. And I hope, like their films and like the other things that they do, Viomix is a huge success, and I'm sure it's going to be a fun ride.